Hello friends. I have to show you my latest garden art find. This adorable smiling feline is holding the cutest solar lantern. This kitty statue is completely waterproof and can withstand all weather conditions. There are solar cells on the inside of the lantern. You simply click on the switch on the bottom and let it charge outside during the day. At dark, your kitty will light up and add beauty to your garden. Oh, kitty looks right at home next to my pansies, but also looks wonderful keeping guard in front of my daylilies. And here's Kitty ready to light my path in my back forest. And so adorable welcoming me and my guests by my forest entrance. Well, dear Kitty, today you're going to be an indoor cat, so I can enjoy your whimsical face before I find the perfect spot for you outside. Good day, friends. Ta-ta for now.